how to turn off autocorrect on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the settings app and then scroll down, and here you'll be able to find general management. Tap on it and then you will find Samsung keyboard settings. Tap on it, and here you'll find the predictive text option. So this contains the autocorrect function, which is also known as auto replace. So you can either go to auto replace and toggle off all the keyboards, or you can just come back and toggle off the predictive text itself, and your autocorrect will be turned off. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.